Hello. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do visual keyword research for YouTube using this text network visualization app called Infranodus, where you can visualize search results for a certain search query on YouTube and see the
Attention digital marketers. Level up your skills with free guides and software. Click the links below in the video description to gain access to game-changing resources for optimizing your marketing efforts. Take charge of your success. Click now and dominate the digital landscape.
The main terms that those results are connected to. So for example, here we see that when we search for SEO videos on YouTube, we also get a lot of results on research keywords. So that means that it might be interesting for us to also add some information about that into this graph and save it as a possible SEO idea. So we can save it here into the graph. Research keyword is going to be something that we should add. I will show you how it works using another example. So we go back to the apps page and then choose the YouTube app. And here you will see that it can visualize actually both search results and comments to a video. So we will start with search results and we'll use YouTube SEO just to see what comes up. We can say that we want the results in English, the users in the USA. Name this graph and click import. And what happens here is that Infranodus imports all these search results made for this query on YouTube and visualizes the titles and the descriptions, the snippets of the video, so we can see what they're about. So if we delete those nodes from the graph to see what's hiding behind them, we see that there's a lot of content on keyword research. So this is one topic that tends to come up. We can also see here as a separate topic. There is also some stuff on page ranking here and also on different channels of search. So we can even choose some of the topics to see in which context they're used. Okay, so searching new channels for promotion. So we can also add this channel search into our ideas and continue exploring this graph of search results on YouTube to better understand which keywords to use and in which combinations. The general rule is that you want to cover as much of the graph as possible with the title and description of your video, because then it will be very relevant to the content that already exists, but connecting it in new ways. So you should always look for how you could link, for instance, keyword research and maybe increasing the channels or something like that, right? So increase channel, keyword research, add something here, click save, and we add some new keyword idea. Also, you can even generate content using the AI. So those words are selected, keyword research channel increase, click facts, and GPT-3 generates some interesting facts or research ideas or research questions. So you can use the existing discourse on YouTube to actually develop your ideas further on a certain topic. Of course, it's better to use something a bit more interesting than the videos of cats in this case. So this is how it works. The visualization, and another feature that was added into Infranodus is the ability to visualize comments to a video. So for example, here I choose one video, let's say one of the top ones that come up, how to rank YouTube videos to the first place. Okay, I select the link, then go back to the analysis and I say I want to analyze the comments to this video. So I copy and paste the link or just the video ID like I want. It's going to show up here. I say I want 100 comments, top comments. And what happens now is that the comments left by users to this video will be visualized as a graph, so I can see what they're writing about. So I see that they're talking a lot about the channel. The person who made the video probably subscribed to the channel, so I see that it's quite commercial. The set of comments to that particular video, and also something about this video. So let's hide this term to see what's hiding behind. Okay, so here is some interesting software keyword software that searches for the best. So people are actually talking about software that is used for keyword research, and so we can also add this as an idea into this graph and then continue building the content strategy that would touch on the topics that we find in search results and at the same time on the topics that people talk about in their comments. So for example, here, if we wanted to add another video, the comments to another video, then we choose YouTube here, go into the graph, we say that we want another video on YouTube SEO here. Make a search, get some other video like this one, ranked #1 on YouTube.
Google SEO algorithm.
Select that video, copy and paste here. Say that we want the comments to this video. Okay, once again, but we save it into the same graph as before. Okay, so we don't change, we actually save it into the same graph, and we add these new comments from that video to that original one. Now we have more information, and we can see what both of these comments are talking about. So people are saying that it's a great tip, so people like having tips in the videos. So we can even add something about tips on YouTube SEO in the description. Add this as an idea, save it into the graph, and so on. So as you can see, we can use this presentation to analyze the existing comments on a certain discourse, or to see also what people are finding when they search for certain things on YouTube. You can try it out on infranodos.com, and if you have any questions, comments, or feedback, please let us know. Thank you.
Calling all marketers. Discover a treasure trove of free guides and software to supercharge your digital marketing prowess. Click the links in the video description below to unlock expert resources for increasing conversions, maximizing ROI, and more. Click now and revolutionize your marketing strategy.